And I'm just like, why you did that for there? Hey guys, what's up, blingin'? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Xuxa.L.Williams. Welcome. So I was not planning on making this video, but I was just moved to my phone, big up iPhone, but they reminded me that this year makes 4 years since I've graduated university. And I was just so moved, like I was so overwhelmed with emotions that I had to come on camera and talk about how I'm feeling. Now this is not gonna be your sad once upon a time type of story, no girl, nobody don't have time for that. Look here, goody alright now, okay, goody alright. So 2016 was a very emotional year for me. It was by far the hardest year. I never really spoke about half of the stuff that I was going through. I kept it bottled in. Now, if you know me, I'm a very strong person. I am the encourager. I love to encourage and inspire people. Hence why I have a channel. And I'm trying to figure it out, how to put that information out there, right? But I want to say to all my newly graduates that it's a journey. Don't let anybody tell you anything otherwise. This is a journey. When you graduate, you have your life planned out. You have how you're going to do things. You have what kind of job you want. You have what you want to accomplish by X time. Look, scratch all of that, right? Now, I'm not saying that you can't have goals and push towards those things. What I'm saying is leave room for life to happen. You hear that? Ooh, ooh. Let life happen, girl. Sit down and breathe. Sit down and breathe, boy. Sit down and breathe, okay? Because listen, life is going to happen. And we have no control over that. It is okay for you not to know what's going to happen tomorrow. Listen, a virus time now. We're in such unique times that jobs are trying to figure out how they should cope with this new norm. So it's okay. You're going to go on job interviews. You might not get the job, but learn from it, right? I did a video on how to get your dream job. You could go and check it out. If you have not done so, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to the family. But yes, I did a video on that. I also did the previous video on where I am now. I'm honestly in finance, and I share that experience with you as well. So all my videos, they kind of make sense, but it's just like, who is this random girl? You know what I mean? I am sharing with you guys that 2016 was hard for me, and I bounced back from all of that. I've had surgery. I've had 2 surgeries. And when I was graduating, I was so devastated because I knew that I would have to do these surgeries, and it was going to put me out of work for about a year, right? And also some personal stuff was going on, which I'm not really going to get into. I'm not going to get that deep, not yet, you know? But I was working for a bridal designer. Big up Panther Bridal. But I was working for a bridal designer, and I was learning, you know, like how to make certain things, and I'm insisted on making my graduation outfit. So your girl, yeah, she make her graduation outfit, you know. Girl stitch up skirt and beard things. It was like the most interesting and scariest thing I've done at the time.
So leave half an inch
and
from
one
the
and a half
top
for your hem.
and 1.5 down there for the hem, and make sure it's towards the edge.
I was just like, I don't even know what I'm doing, but at the same time, I just insisted on making my graduation outfit because I wanted something to say that, Xuxa, you've done it. Anything you put your mind to, you can do it. So that's what that skirt, that outfit was supposed to symbolize. Girl was going for a whole jumpsuit fit, okay? But girl decided to lower her taste. And when Andrea said, Xuxa, you sure? And I was like, yes, I want to do the jumpsuit. She was like, you might want to stick to a skirt. So I stuck to the skirt, and I stayed back a couple nights, you know, working on the skirt and everything. And when the graduation day came, to complete my outfit, I had like, I'll insert a picture, but But I was supposed to complete this outfit with, I think it was royal blue shoes at the time. And then I got the news about having surgery. So I was like, dang, now I can't be bossed out. You know what I mean? I forgot to tone it down just a little bit. So I had to wear sandals. But that was just one of the crazy things that I did at the time. Then the day before the graduation, I decided that I was gonna cut my hair off. Yes! Girl decided she was gonna cut off her hair. I've never permanently colored my hair, and I've never, the only thing I had was bangs, and I just did a little shortcut, but me never know nothing about nothing, right? I was natural, I'm still natural, but I had natural hair. I used to wear my hair mostly like in a puff. Girl didn't know anything about short hair, but I said, you know what happened? I always wanted to cut my hair. And I'm like, yes, I'm gonna get the side. I was trying to decide, do I want to get the sides off? Do I want... Girl went to her hair, just a girl cut off all of the hair. I said, take it off. And she looked at me like, you sure? And then why the day when I went to go cut my hair, my aunt was at the hair salon. That's why you don't go to family hairdressers, right? My aunt was at the hair salon and she made it worse because she don't believe in cutting hair. She goes, Shusha, you sure you want to cut your hair? And I can't believe you come to here just to cutting your hair. And I'm just like, why you did that for there? Why? I couldn't cut my hair in a piece. Why is it that I couldn't cut my hair in a piece? So I said, look, auntie, I want the hair gone and that's what's going to happen. Okay, me a big woman them time here, girl. I was at what, 22, 21, 22, 22. So I'm a girl, like I'm of age. Let me cut my hair in peace. So I can probably insert a clip. No! Cutting my hair was symbolizing new beginnings, right? Because like I said, it was a rough year. And I was just looking for something. At that time, I didn't know what it was, but I was looking for something. So girl cut her hair. Girl went home now. Why am I referring to myself as girl? That's narcissist. No. I went home and my family's mouth fell to the floor. What? Boom, pan floor. Drop pan floor, girl. Like drop pan floor. Okay? My dad was like, yes, no, I finally get the son that I wanted. And I was like, really? 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 Because guess what? I got high cheekbones. So you got to be real confident when you have a short hairstyle, because with high cheekbones, you can't come off. Yo, what up? You know what I mean? Boy. So, yeah, so I got my hair. So when I went to my graduation the next day, all of my friends' mouths were pretty much on the floor because they couldn't believe it. I had a new color, not new, my hair was colored and it was short. And it was just like, Shush, sushi, oh my gosh, sushi, 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 sushi. They couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it myself. Yo. When you wash your hair for the first time with short hair, oh, I didn't know water felt so nice. Girl, I felt so clean. Clean like a whistle. Like a whistle. Oh, clean like a liquor whistle. Girl felt clean. Anyways, after that happened now, you know, graduation happened. I couldn't wear the heels, so I was a little bummed out about that, because it's just like, okay, my hair is now cut. I have the outfit that I prepared, well, the skirt, and I didn't have the heels to complete it, but still I went ahead, trot along. And overall, looking back, I said, you know, if I could change certain things about that day, I would have. But at the same time, I'm not now at a place where I can look back and say, wow, I really come from far, you know. There's a song where it says, when I look at where I'm coming from, Looking back at where the journey begun, I really have to say that I'm strong, I'm strong. All praises to the Most High One. Like, I was in such a dark place that, whoo, girl, you're not come sit up on camera cry. Stop that. So I was in such a dark place that, you know, I didn't speak about it. And I was so, it wasn't that I was embarrassed or anything, but when you're so used to being the strong friend, the strong cousin, the strong sister, the strong whatever it might be, sometimes it's hard for us to accept help. And it's something that I had to learn over the years, how to accept help. And to all my new graduates, like, it's going to be a journey. Allow it to happen. You're going to be emotional. Allow that to happen. Allow to feel. Allow to love. Allow to laugh. Like, just feel. Live in the moment. Because trust me, nothing lasts forever. You might be like this today, but today for you, tomorrow for me. That's the type of mentality that you have to have. And if I could tell myself something, I would have said, Xuxa, breathe. Breathe. It will be okay. Just breathe. So now looking back at it, you know, I'm so grateful that I didn't give up on myself. I'm so grateful that I took the time out to just figure out what was going on with me mentally, physically, and spiritually. And those pictures just brought me back to a time where I'm just like, man, I was so lost. I was so lost. Like, you ever looked at yourself and you couldn't figure out who you are? Like, I was lost. That type of lost. And it's okay to feel that way, you know? Because the greatest thing was that I acknowledged it. I went MIA from social media for a whole year. Like, the whole year. I moved back to Jamaica. I wouldn't say moved, but I was in Jamaica for a couple months. A lot of people didn't even know where I was. But I was there for a couple months until my surgery, and my surgery changed my life. Like, I have to tailor my life around my feet, and that's where I had surgery, guys. It's not on the cheeks. But I had surgery on my feet, and my whole life was changed because that's your foundation. And just tying everything together, what I was searching for was, now we have a phrase in Jamaica that says, shake up your folly ground. That's what I felt like. I was shaking up my folly ground. Like, I was shaking my foundation, and I just felt like I didn't have a bearing on anything, you know. And I knew that my life was going to change, and not being able to enter the working world right after graduating, being out of the working world for a whole year, then having to explain to companies why you've been out of work for a whole year, and then not really having enough working experience after graduating, you know, or even before graduating, because I didn't do what you're supposed to do, so to say. I took an internship at a bridal, with a bridal designer. Granted, I learned a lot, but how did it really relate to finance? Trying to go into finance. Some of the stuff that I did, it didn't add up, but I don't regret taking that experience at the bridal shop. I did not, because Andrea taught me a lot, and she checked me, okay? She checked me. But you know, it's just like, I just look at all the things that I've accomplished, and just how I kept my head down and just kept grinding and just not giving up on myself. So one thing I can say is, you know, I might not have gotten that big title that I wanted when eventually I found a job after surgery. Might not have gotten the biggest title, but what I did get was a managerial position. And then I had to look at it and say, a lot of people don't have managerial experience. For the new graduates, whatever position you get, take it and make the best of it, because the job don't define who you are. And some people are in bigger titles and make you less money than you on, period. Just don't watch the title. Don't let the job define you. You know, learn from it and grow from it, and know that your life don't stop there. Be open to accept encouragement. Be open to accept love. And don't forget to accept your flaws, embrace your strength, and own your journey. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. Hopefully when I edit this, it's not all over the place. But I just wanted to share that with you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. Hopefully it makes some sense now with all the content that I'm creating. Hopefully it makes sense, you know what I mean? Like, I'm really trying to put things out there. I'm trying to put together all my experiences, because management is not easy, and now I'm in finance, so it's just like I got a whole bunch of tea for you guys. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, and that's the end of the video, guys. Mwah! Teeth white like a piece of chalk. Anyways, guys, take care. Love you.